Well, howdy there, y'all. Yamasaki here. Welcome back to the channel. And today is a special video because today we're building Frank, the Dell Dimension 3000 sleeper PC. So let's rock and roll. Alright guys, so are you ready to start building the PC? So I got all the parts laid out right here. Got the essentials right there. And then we got the old case itself. So let's get started and rock and roll. go, guys. There's Frank, all completed and ready to rock and roll. Yeah, my cable management isn't that good. This fan is zip tied to the front. I don't have all the power supply screws because none came, so I had to salvage some. Had to do a little bit of scraping on some of these cables here to get it connected up there, because there was just a little piece of plastic on one of the connectors that wasn't going into the slot. And there's only one nut holding the graphics card in, but it's all together. Now all we gotta do is figure out what Frank's gonna do. Will he turn on? Will he not? Will it explode? I don't know. So let's go find out. Stay tuned. So guys, I was able to get Frank up and running. I actually had to swap out the power supply that I did put in it. Was planning on it, the 450 watt one, for a EVGA 600 Supernova 650 GT. And as you can see, guys, it is up and running, and I love that freaking front fan. Oh man, that fan's running, CPU fan's running, that one up there is running too. But guys, I think we did it. I got a keyboard for it and a mouse. So now we just need an operating system. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more content. And Yamasaki out. See y'all later. It's been a pleasure building this PC with you.